will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. In the blue. Coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those blind.
And today on Have a Knife Day with Blade Show Atlanta, but a short week away, we're here to talk about Emerson Knives with this CQC 13 here for relevance. But we're not here to talk about Ernest Emerson. We're here to talk about his son, Lucas Emerson. Now, last year's show, we were able to go over there and talk with Lucas. And here's the thing. The knives that he brought were so greatly anticipated, they were gone like that. He was able to keep one knife aside for me so I could take a look at that, and I shared that with you all. And so what they're going to be doing this year is they're going to be doing a raffle. You know, you have to get a lottery. That's it. It's a lottery. So you put your name in for the lottery, and that gives you an opportunity to purchase the knife, if I am not mistaken. Now, I haven't gotten to know Lucas from that time. It's been a little over a year. I've been talking to him here and there and stopping by the Emerson facility over there in Harbor City, California. He was gracious enough to send me a video of what he is going to be bringing. So without further ado, please enjoy this video that Lucas Emerson sent to me, and we'll be right back.
Hello everyone. These are the 12 knives I'll be bringing to Blade Show Atlanta 2024. We have the MX100s, MX200s, and the MX300s. This time around, I'm experimenting with some different handle materials. This one here is the MX200 with the satin finish bolsters, liners, and backspacer, and it's paired with a black and tan G10 and wood composite, which I think adds a very unique look to the knife. This one here is an MX100. This one also has the satin finish bolsters, liners, and backspacer. This uses a green and black G10 composite. I also have an MX300 that has this ivory white paper micarta, which is a very simple material, and I think it adds a very unique look to the knife. I've also paired this with my new finish, which will replace all the sandblast finish that I've used in the past. Of course, this occupies all of the space that was originally occupied by the sandblast finish, so the bolsters, the liners, and the backspacer. And my personal favorite here is this MX300 that uses that frost finish on the bolsters, liners, and backspacer with the handle scales made out of forged carbon fiber with the gold accents. This is a very unique knife, and I hope you guys like it. If you want to take a closer look at any of the knives I've presented here, I'll be posting the photos to the galleries on my website, where you'll find each model as well as each of these variations. That being said, I'm looking forward to seeing you all at Blade. You can find me at the Emerson Knives booth, where I'll have my knives on display and we can talk and have a great time. See you all there.